I have been sewing since I was around 12, crafting since I fell in love with paper at a very young age, and a lot of things in between. So today we're gonna test a couple of products. So for marking clothing, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the camera a little bit closer so you won't see my face, but we'll be able to see what we're doing here. So for many years I have used chalk, and I still do. I love to use chalk as a marking on fabric, and it just, washes and wipes right out. So I buy all the different colors of chalk, and I got these ones from AliExpress actually in 2020, and they're still working great. And so I'll fix those later. And then, but I saw somebody using pens to write, and these pens, I'm like, how are you going to write on it with the pen? Well, I found out that you mark with the pen and then you erase it with an iron. Heat erases it. So I thought, well, let's put this to the test. So I went on Amazon and I bought a pack. This was a crazy deal. All of these. So they were like, there's 3 white inks, 3 black, 3 blue, and 3 of this kind of like a reddish, I guess it's red, kind of like a magenta red. And then, so you get these inks and they look like, let's take one. They look like this. So this is the part that goes in. This is your tip of your pen. You take this off, and this is the tip of the pen. Okay. So I went ahead and filled these up, and then it comes with the lid. So then you stick it in the case. So this is the white one. And here you just snap that closed to keep it closed. Okay. And so then this is the black one. It's the same thing like this. And the blue one. And the red or magenta, whatever color that is. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to move the camera closer, and I'm going to draw on these jeans and see if it really works. I have never used them before, so this is my first time. So hopefully we'll be able to see there. Yeah, I think so. All right, so I'm gonna do it on this lighter part so we can see it. So if we're marking, let's say we want it to draw a line and then sew on that line. See, let's draw another line here. Okay, so that's the red one. Let's try with this blue color. Oh, nice. It writes very smoothly. I'll put a link to these in the description area below for you. And this is like the black color. That's kind of like a gray, charcoaly color. I'll lift it up here too so you can see all the colors there. And then I don't know if the white one's going to work on this jean, but we'll try. Nah, it doesn't. It's not. I mean, I can see it, but it's not worth testing for that. All right, so now let me make sure that my iron, I'm just using my little mini iron right now. Yeah. So what we're going to do is I just want to make sure, I'm going to put a piece of fabric. Let me grab, I didn't get a piece of fabric. Let me grab a piece real quick. So I don't have them right here with me. Oh, iron. All right, so I'm just going to cover it with this piece just to make sure. I'm going to take my iron, which is hot enough, and I'm going to see if it really, can you see that? So I'm going to see if it really erases. This is a little mini craft iron that I got from Temu. It's for $7. And of course I have my really nice, beautiful Maverick. Is it called the Maverick? Reliable. It's the Reliable Maven, the Reliable Maven iron, and I'll link that below as well. Now let's see what happened. Oh, look at that. Let me put this iron down, and now you can see the marks are all gone. Wow, that's the first time I ever done that. So I love to do my videos where I'm doing something for the first time and I didn't even practice or anything first, so you can see in real life and whatever. Well, that was pretty cool. Oh, there's a little bit of red there still, so let me get that red off. I am upcycling these jeans, so I don't want to have marks here. Actually, this part I'm going to cut off, so it doesn't really matter. But I don't want to forget to, and I didn't use steam to do this. I don't think you're supposed to use steam. Okay. Yep, this works really well. Okay, that's really cool. That makes life a lot easier for me. Not having to use the chalk all the time. There's still going to be a lot of times where I do need to use my chalk, and sometimes I'll probably use it as out of habit, but these are amazing. So I'll link the pens, the heat erasable pens below in my description area, and also my main iron that I use for sewing and crafting. And then this little mini iron that I just was using, I got from Temu for around $6, and I got this from Temu for about, I think this was like 98 cents or something like that. So look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please like this video, subscribe if you want to learn more about sewing, crafting, print on anything to do with selling, making your products, selling them. I do print on demand, and I share my journey on that. And I also make products to sell on an Etsy shop. I'm just opening up. I do a lot of Shopify sites for clients because I own a virtual assistant digital marketing company, but I'm doing one for myself for the first time. So that's going to be a fun road too. So any of those things. And if you see in my link in the description also is my business channel. So that's everything about digital marketing, social media, SEO, blogging, and all of that sort of thing. So I'll see you on the next video.